MUREX HCD500-2C battery automatic welding machine, powered by a lithium battery or external power supply. One charge can meet 10 hours of continuous operation. High-performance magnetic increases the reliability of profiling welding and also ensures a smooth operation. This Carriage has magnetic absorption clutch handle, and it is easy to adjust and install. Suitable for flat fillet welding, it has wide range of operation speed adjustment, fitted with hook wheels, hanging wheels or rails. It can complete the welding of various types of workpieces, such as flat butts, flat fillet, internal fillet, and side section, etc.